National Service Scheme, in collaboration with Core Academy Private Limited and NRI Institute, New Delhi, organized a comprehensive child development program under the supervision of NSS Program Officer Mr. Tariq Abdullah. The day-long event was organized to sensitize school teachers about the importance of imparting life skill training to children in schools. Organizing Secretary and NSS Program Officer Mr. Tariq Abdullah, in his introductory remarks, said that today's program is to inculcate leadership and managerial skills in children to make them bold.
The idea behind this program is to prepare a child for life without losing their area of specialization and competence. This is the very important thing which I want to make clear to every student and teachers present here, that we are not asking any student to leave the curriculum or leave something behind what they are being taught at school level. But this is to prepare a child for life without losing their area of specialization. And I agree with this idea of core that such success is never accidental, but a measured contribution of various winning factors.
NSS coordinator Dr. Farooq Khan, in his welcome address, said that a teacher is an architect of a nation, and as a teacher, one needs to impart a value system among the students.
We have a tremendous challenge of imbibing the value system in our children. Do we have the curriculum wherein our child, our new generation is having that kind of a system, that kind of a curriculum, that kind of a teaching methodology, pedagogy, that he can have the values in his life? Looking at the present scenario, when we look while watching the media, whether it is electronic, whether it is a print media, you see that a lot of things are to be done. Much is to be done for creating the value system.
Director Core Academy, Mr. Tariq Margoob, in his speech stressed the need to separate knowledge from information.
See, knowledge is not a power. Knowledge becomes power only when applied. Otherwise, it is an abundance of information. जो आपको जितने पिछले 5000 साल में इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल नहीं थी, न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स के मुताबिक अभी सिर्फ पर हफ्ते उतनी इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल रहती है. अपने नेट पे जाइए या बाकी देख लीजिएगा. So it is how you apply that knowledge.
Dr. Subhash Chauhan, Chairman SOM Gurukul Group of Schools, Kurukshetra and Haryana, expressed regret that he was not able to convince many students to come to Kashmir.
मैंने कहा कि मैं ईश्वर से, ऊपर वाले से प्रार्थना करूंगा कि ये जो नेचुरल ब्यूटी है ये डिस्टर्ब ना हो, क्योंकि दिस इज अ जेम ऑन अर्थ. And if beauty is lost, you cannot create it. So there are very few examples which are available on earth. So let's pray to the God that it remains there. And equally, I found that people of Kashmir are also very warm. We wanted to bring many students, but due to distance problem, but when I reached here, I found it to be very, very different.
Noted educationalist Professor A.G. Madhosh, in his keynote address, lamented the fact that despite teachers being considered nation builders, people are very reluctant to take this as a profession.
कि हमारी जिंदगी के अंदर एक ऐसा मौका है जिसमें the teacher enters into my life and starts constructing, और बहुत बड़ा रोल बनता है. इतना ही नहीं, नेशन बिल्डिंग का रोल बनता है. मेरे लिए परेशानी ये होती है, the next moment I ask parents, I ask businessmen, I ask doctors, I ask lawyers, I ask industrialists, I ask a number of other people, what is your choice for your child? 0% for teaching profession. लम्हा फिक्रिया है कि मैं भी अपने बच्चे की खातिर टीचर बनना नहीं पसंद करता हूं. क्या हो गया? कौन सी अट्रैक्शन है? कहां नेशन बिल्डर है? कहां उस्ताद में हमारे कौम है? क्या चीज है? When it comes to you and your choice is really a different choice. What's the reason?